It's way too hot. Let's make this tropical smoothie. All you need is 5 ingredients and I'll show you how. So stick around. Aloha Maika'i, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. It's getting hot around here, so let's make a cool and refreshing tropical smoothie. We're gonna start with some coconut water, and I'd like to mahalo Foodland Hawaii for sponsoring this video. I'll be using their Maika'i coconut water. You can find this at your local Foodland in the drink section. All right, so into the blender, we're gonna start with some mango. It's mango season here. That is my favorite fruit of all time, Hayden mango. If you've got some Hayden mango and you'd like to donate some, by all means, I will gladly take it off your hands. And then we're gonna add some pineapple. Some of the juice froze with this one when I did it. That's all right. And then we're also gonna add some Greek yogurt. You can use plain. I have a vanilla one, but totally up to you. That'll give it a little bit of a creamy texture. Oh, by the way, mango and pineapple are frozen. Did I say that earlier? I can't remember. So this is vanilla flavored, a little bit of honey, a lot, up to you how much you want to put. If it's not sweet enough, add a little bit more. Trick to this, spray it with some nonstick cooking spray before you dump it out so it falls right out. And then some coconut water. So there's flavored ones. This one, I don't like pulp, so the one I get doesn't have pulp. So I'll add a little bit of this. Summertime is super hot. I like smoothies. The kids love it. It's a great way to cool down and get going. All right, don't mind my blender. It's a little old and seen its days, but everything in, blend that up. I like to give it a little shake in between. And then blend one more time. Get yourself a glass. Usually this thing suctions down so it doesn't move all over the place. I don't know why it doesn't. Also, my top broke, dropped it one day. I probably should just get a new blender, right? But oh well. And then pour that in. Come on, come on. And just like that, you've got yourself a delicious smoothie, tropical flavored, perfect for summer. If you like this recipe and you want to see more quick and easy recipes, then check out this video here. And until next time, ahui ho.
Thank you for watching my mommy's video.